What?
We're closed. Someone is looking for you.
Who? The Marquis? Elise? Elise! Wait! Elise! Stop!
Ils sont toutes comme ça.
L'odeur des rues doit être moins forte là-haut.
Who are you? Liam, you took a couple, Sue. Here.
I've been looking for you, monsieur. Thank you for returning Léon.
Good luck with him.
I once had a son.
I'm sorry.
No. He's alive. I left him. I began the orphanage afterward.
Now that's love.
Sometimes, love is a prison. His father taught me that. This, the orphanage, this is my true calling. Léon tells me you could have been the savior of France. Children.
Madame Margot.
He's behind the orphanage.
Il y a une révolution?
Un barbare des...
Il risque la chute à chaque instant.
Little man. We have 3 days until my ship sails.
So what?
I'll get the artifact. Then I'm gone.
Fine. But how? Do you have a map to the temple in your coat?
The list of relics. Painting in the cavern. I knew I'd seen those plates before. They're drawn here. But this one is missing. I'm being serious.
Well, see. Meet me upstairs once you find the other two.
Oui, monsieur.
Kids.